Fractions for 5th class. Turning fractions into decimals and percentages. Let's turn 9/12 into a decimal and percentage. 9/12. We need to turn it into hundredths before we turn it into decimals and percentages. But 12 will not turn into hundredths easily. So, we need to simplify 9/12 to make it easier to turn into hundredths. 9/12. I think that will go into quarters. What do we need to do to 12 to make it into 4? Divide by 3 and do the same on the top. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3/4. Now we can turn 3/4 into hundredths. 4, so let's find out what 1/4 is in hundredths. 4 into 1 does not go. 4 into 10 goes twice with 2 left over, and 4 into 20 goes 5 times. That's 1/4. Times it by 3 to find 3/4. 5 times 3 is 15, carry up your 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus your 1 is 75. So, 75/100. Now we can turn it easily into a decimal, which is 0.75. And a percentage is 75%. Let's try another one. But this time we're going to do it with a mixed number. Let's try 3 and 3/5. 3 and 3/5. Can 5 turn into 100 easily? Yes, it can. 5 into 100. 5 into 1 doesn't go, so you put down a 0 and carry up your 1. 5 into 10 goes twice. 5 into 0 goes 0 times. So, that's easy. Now, that's what 1/5 is. Let's times it by 3 to get 3/5. 0 times 3 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. So 60/100 is what the 3/5 would be. But what about the 3 full things? Well, 100/100 represents 1 full thing. So 300/100 must equal 3 full things. Okay, now we need to add our 300/100 plus our 60/100, which is 360/100. Now, let's turn it into decimals. So, if we did this 0.360, that means we have 36. We actually don't need that 0. That would mean that we have 36/100. That's very different to 360/100 because we actually have 3 full things there. So, the full things go before the decimal point. Then we can put our 0, but we don't really need the 0. So we've got full things here, decimal point just after the 3, and then here the 6. That 6 is actually tenths. And the 0, even though it doesn't represent anything, it just represents the absence of a number, that would be the hundredths. Now, let's turn it into percentage. So percentage is out of 100. but we have 3 full things. So we know that it has to start with 3, our percentage has to be at least 300. And then we've got our 60, so that will be 360%. Turning fractions into decimals and percentages.